So here's my boat. It's a Axis A24, and in my last video I was talking about a product by Boat Juice. It is their ceramic wax. So I was talking about how slick it makes the surface. You apply it with the applicator, and about 10 minutes after, you go through and wipe it down with a little microfiber cloth, and right away you can feel how slick the surface is. We'll test it out here with some water to see how it works. Oh yeah, I mean, right away you can see that it's not even, so it's not falling right off, but on the sides, I mean, this stuff will slide right off. I mean, you could just tell when you submerge the trailer in the water to launch your boat, you could just bet that all that water will come right off. Plus, I mean, I haven't gone through and wiped it down completely yet, so you can still see a little bit of a haze, but as soon as you wipe it, it is shiny. It's good stuff.